Rejection. It is inherently baked into part of the job search. It will happen to each and every one of us. It is part of the game. Turn rejections into potential jobs. You can pause here and watch this creator's video on how she takes rejections and encourages job seekers to use a rejection template in order to potentially turn it into a new opportunity. This is the rejection response template. You can open it up, make your own version, adjust whatever works for you. I've seen people get rejected from personality tests and they reach back out and they're like, "Hey, I really felt like I was a great fit for this. Are you certain that this is actually a for real rejection?" And they're like, "Oh gosh, you know what? That was a mistake. That was our bad. Let's get you lined up with the first interview." And it's like, what are we doing here, guys? What's going on? Happens all the time. So always try to respond when you do get rejections, because these days you're kind of lucky if you get one at all. The following are reasons why recruiters have rejected candidates. Impersonal applications, so no hiring manager's name within the application or the cover letter. No thank you note after the interview. Resumes aren't customized or tailored. No cover letter, no follow up with employer after the interview. These seem like pretty basic things, but ultimately, it shouldn't be a reason why somebody's outright rejected. But you have people that are outright admitting that they have rejected candidates who probably could have been a fit for the role, but for no other reason than their own ego have rejected people. It is very typical. It's wild. It is what it is. So I try to gamify rejection. For every one rejection you get, it means that you need to do three more applications. It's this magic rule of three. It gamifies the experience to know if I do get another one, well, then tell you what, I'm hitting three more companies and they're already in the rearview mirror because I'm looking at these three new ones. It really does turn everything into a numbers game. And I think it's a powerful way of understanding that no just means three more doors you have to go open. This is often one of the things that people get hung up on. They did not say no to you. There's this idea in psychology of fundamental attribution error. People believe small glimpses of behavior basically reveal someone's entire ability or even character. This is also the halo effect. A single detail, positive or negative, influences entire judgment. Who knows what people cling on to or what they focus granularly on and ignore the rest in order to make some outright summary of what they think you are. They saw somewhat of a name on a piece of paper, not even that, on a spreadsheet, and basically said no and moved on to the next one. Don't make that your entire existence. Move on. It's okay. One thing that I've taken from My First Million podcast, it's one of my favorite podcasts. There's this 5 fucks to give per week. So if you only had 5 fucks to give because you really had to keep keep these fucks, basically, what would you lose your shit on? Would it be getting rejected from a company that you barely learned about and just decided to apply on a whim? Or, like what's really worth getting all riled up about? Let it go. Let a lot of this stuff go. You can't control it anyway. And if you change the way that you think and the way of perceiving rejection, life gets so much easier.